is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Thank you so much. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, come on, do what you know you need to do right there and hit that subscribe button. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we are going to be unboxing the July 2020 Curlbox. Y'all know I love this box. I love this box. And so we're gonna jump in and see what's in this month's Curlbox. And so for those of you who are not familiar with Curlbox, it is a monthly subscription of all things natural, curly, straight, whatever texture of your hair, it's for you, okay? And it's $20 per month, and it's $5 shipping added to that. So for $25 a month, you get a plethora, do you hear me? A plethora of products designed just for us. So this month's box, the description cards are always amazing. So the one for this month is this beauty right here. And it's called Power. Okay, and box this month says restore your hydration levels with Aveda's Nutriplenish collection, a line of products that enhance moisture levels with a blend of powerful oils and butters. Check out what's in store. Okay, so the first item that we have is the Nutriplenish shampoo. And this says an immensely hydrating cleanser with a vegan superfood blend of plant oils and butters like mango, pomegranate, and sunflower. And this says this is the powered hydration. Okay, the next item we have is the Nutriplenish conditioner, and this one is, this is a big tube, y'all. It's an 8.5 fluid ounce size. It says a moisturizing weekly conditioner that also acts as a leave-in conditioner for thick, textured hair. Okay, look, I'm here for it. I'm here for it, okay? I'm just saying. Okay, and the next item we have is actually a pump, and this one is the Nutriplenish leave-in conditioner, and this one is the light leave-in, replenishes hydration for up to 72 hours and protects against heat damage. Okay, y'all, I'm here for it. And this one is a 6.7 fluid ounce size. Then we have the Nutriplenish hair oil. All right, and it says this concentrated blend of power oils, sunflower, avocado, jojoba, argan, safflower, coconut, and pomegranate, delivers nutrients and shine directly to the hair shaft. Use it as a pre-shampoo treatment or an overnight sealer for frayed ends. Okay, I'm here for that. This one is a 1 fluid ounce size. I just want to open it, y'all. I like. Okay, you know it has all of those good oils. It's in a dark bottle. Okay, and yeah, it's gonna be amazing on my hair. I'm just saying. In addition to us getting the full sizes of these items, we also received travel size, okay, of both of them. All right, this is the shampoo and the conditioner. So when I'm ready to make my journey back to Georgia, when they finally lift this fly thing, I'll be ready. Okay, so this one is just the pocket size version, okay, and they are 1.7 fluid ounces each. Okay, now I just want to go back and take a little smell. I'm very familiar with Aveda. As a matter of fact, this is the school that my daughter went to, and it's in the DC area if I'm not mistaken. So I'm very excited about these products. I didn't want this to be a long video. I just wanted you to know what was going on this month in this Curlbox. I'm here for it, you know, and I'm thinking about the fact that my mom is having some challenges with her hair right now. I may just send these down to her so that maybe this will help her. She said for whatever reason her hair seems to be very dry. It's not holding any moisture at all. So she may be the one to really try it out for me and see. So I think that's what I'll be doing. So I'll let you know how she made out with this if she uses it before I do. So that is it. I thank you for spending time with me on today, opening up the July 2020 Curlbox. Y'all know this is one of my favorite. I am here for the natural hair, okay? I went natural a couple years ago, and before that it was straight hair. And then how can I teach my grandchildren love your hair? And I'm walking around with mine permed, and they're walking around with theirs in twists and coils and telling me it's so difficult. Lead by example, honey. So that's what I am doing, and glad to do so. Okay, now I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. You'll start to see some things different in here. I'm trying to figure out exactly how I want my office beauty room to be. So I have some things that I am so excited to tell you about. Okay, I'm trying not to get emotional because it was very emotional to me. So I have a couple more things to do before, well, a couple more videos to share with you before I do that. Okay, well, these are the items that are included in this month's Curlbox, and I will also give you the manufacturer suggested retail price of the full box total had you purchased it from Aveda directly, or, because I doubt very seriously it's in the stores yet. Now if I'm not mistaken, on the website it did tell us that this was about $175 value for $25, and that includes your shipping and no lines. You don't even have to risk coronavirus, okay, trying to go to the store to get it. Okay, so by all means, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.